Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. In which language was the original Ramayana by Valmiki written? A. Hindi, B. Tamil, C. Pali, and D. Sanskrit. The correct answer is Sanskrit. The Ramayana was composed in Sanskrit, probably not before 300 BCE, by the poet Valmiki, according to widely accepted Hindu tradition. Two major Indian festivals celebrate events from the Ramayana. Dasara marks the protagonist Rama victory over the antagonist Ravan, and the Diwali marks Rama return home from exile. Question number 2. What was the solar nebula primarily composed of? A. Carbon dioxide and nitrogen, B. Hydrogen and helium, C. Oxygen and silicon, and D. Iron and nickel. The correct answer is hydrogen and helium. The solar nebula was primarily made up of hydrogen and helium, which with a smaller amount of other elements. The solar nebula was a swirling cloud of dust and gas that collapsed in on itself to form the sun. Question number 3. Which state in the solar system formation involved the sun igniting and beginning nuclear fusion? Option A. Protoplanet development, B. Planet Semal collision, C. Protostar formation, and D. Nebula formation. The correct answer is protostar formation. The stage in the solar system formation where the sun ignited and began nuclear fusion is called the protostar stage, especially when the dense core of protostar reaches a high enough temperature and pressure to initiate hydrogen fusion, marking the birth of sun as a main sequence star. Question number 4. What was the first country to win Olympic gold in men's volleyball? A. Soviet Union, B. United States, C. Japan, and D. Brazil. The correct answer is Soviet Union. The Soviet Union was the first country to win Olympic gold in men's volleyball, winning in Tokyo in 1964. The Soviet Union holds the record for the most gold medal and the most medal in Olympics volleyball. Question number 5. The first wireless network was created in A. 1961, B. 1971, C. 1985, and D. 1987. The correct answer is 1971. The first professional wireless network, ALOHA net, became operational in June 1971. It was developed at the University of Hawaii by Norman Abramson. Question number 6. How many chapters are there in the Bhagavad Gita? Option A 13, B 15, C 18, and D 22. The correct answer is 18. Question number 7. What is the minimum distance that opponent must stand from the net during the serve in badminton? Option A 1 meter, B 1.5 meters, C 2 meters, and D 3 meters. The correct answer is 2 meters. In badminton, the minimum distance an opponent must stand from the net during a serve is 1.98 meters, which is marked by the short service line on the court. The serve must land beyond this line to be considered legal. Question number 8. Mohiniyattam dance from developed originally in which state? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Odisha, and D. Karnataka. The correct answer is Kerala. Mohiniyattam or Mohiniyattam is an Indian classical dance form that evolved in the state of Kerala. Mohiniyattam is among the two popular dance art of the state, with the other being Kathakali. The dance is named after Mohini, with a feminine form of Lord Vishnu. Question number 9. Which element in Earth atmosphere are responsible for the green and red color in orage? A. Hydrogen and helium. B. Carbon and nitrogen. C. Oxygen and nitrogen. And D. Sulfur and chlorine. The correct answer is oxygen and nitrogen. The green we see in aura is characteristic of oxygen, while hint of purple, blue or pink are caused by nitrogen. We sometimes see a wonderful scarlet red color, and this is caused by very high altitude oxygen interacting with solar particles. Add astronomer Tom. Question number 10. Atacama Desert is in which of the following continents? A. Europe. B. North America. C. Asia. And D. South America. The correct answer is South America. The Atacama Desert is located in South America. Its plateau is northern Chile on the Pacific coast. It is also the world's largest fog desert. Question number 11. Which of the following is the oldest atomic power station in India? A. Narora. B. Tarapur. C. Kota. And D. Kalpakkam. The correct answer is Tarapur. Tarapur Atomic Power Station is located in Tarapur, Maharashtra. It was the first commercial atomic power station of India, commissioned on 28 October 1969. It was commissioned under the 123 agreement signed between India, United States and the International Atomic Energy Agency. Question number 12. Identify the person who wrote about the injustice of the caste system in Gulamgiri. A. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Kasi Baba. C. Jyotirai Phule. And D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is Jyotirai Phule. Gulamgiri, meaning slavery in Marathi, is a book written by Jyotirai Phule, a prominent Indian social reformer who actively campaigned against the caste system. He was born in 1827. He was the first writer to write against the caste system. Question number 13. In which state British government built a network of irrigation known as canal colonies? A. Rajasthan. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Bengal. And D. Punjab. The correct answer is Punjab. The British Indian government transformed semi-radial land in West Punjab into fertile agricultural land by building a network of canals. This land was used to grow cotton and wheat for export. Question number 14. What is the standard height of a basketball hoop from the playing surface? A. 10 feet. B. 8 feet. C. 12 feet. And D. 11 feet. The correct answer is 10 feet. Question number 15. In which of the following countries Sogan bond is issued? A. USA. B. China. C. Japan. And D. Canada. The correct answer is Japan. The Sogan bond is a type of bond that is issued in Japan by a foreign entities, including corporations, financial institutions, and government, and are denominated in a currency other than yen. The first Sogan bond was issued in 1985 by the World Bank and was denominated in US dollar. Question number 16. The system of competitive examination for civil service was accepted in the principle in the year A. 1833, B. 1853, C. 1860 and D. 1870. The correct answer 1853. The system of competition examination for civil service was accepted in principle in 1853 through the Charter Act. This act opened up the Indian civil service to Indian for the first time. Earlier, the civil service examination was only conducted in London for the Britishers. Question number 17. In which decade was the telephone invented? Option A 1850, B 1870, C 1875 and D 1885. The correct answer 1870. It was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1870. He also created a method for teaching speech to the deaf and participated in medical research. Bell was a brilliant inventor who received patent for the telephone, telegraph, photophones, aerial vehicles and hydroplanes. Question number 18. How many bits are used in IPv4 address in computer network? A. 4-bit, B. 64-bit, C. 128-bit and D. 32-bit. The correct answer is 32-bit. An IPv4 address is represent a 32-bit number typically displayed in dotted decimal notation, which 4 octane 8-bit each, separated by period. Question number 19. Which technique is used to make the main memory of the computer? A. Magnetic, B. Optical, C. Vacuum tube and D. Semiconductor. The correct answer is semiconductor. Question number 20. The largest living thing in the world. A. Fungus, B. Blue shark, C. Jellyfish and D. Whale. The correct answer is fungus. The largest living thing on earth is a fungus that cover 3.5 square miles. The largest animal in the Antarctic blue whale. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.